haven't driven fast on a racetrack in quite some time. I forgot it's hard. This was built on the floor of a single garage in suburban Ottawa. This is a 33-year-old Japanese sports car that could have ended up in a junkyard about 16 different times had I given up. But we did not give up. 5 years into this, we're still going. Racing is kind of the goal, but I gotta get back up to par with my driving because it's been a fucking long time since I've driven fast, and I definitely don't have the same confidence that I used to have because I'm a little older now. It's all good. This is the inaugural session. Car works. If it makes it back home too, that's even more of a bonus. So we got 15 more minutes. Gonna go do this last session. Enjoy this clip. I hope this is my first time mounting the Sony in here, so see how she goes. Back for more in the fall. Let's do it. I'd say that was a freaking success. September 20th, this car broke very close to where it's parked right now on August of 2023. And here we are in September of 2024. 5 years after buying it, I think we're back on track to get to our goal of going racing. Also, I just want to shout out Keishan and Ryan because there's some beautiful images that they've shot that are just right there. I don't even know if you can see this. I'm on a really wide lens. Really nice photos. Go on Calabogie's website if you want to see them. It's just a little glimpse into motorsports. We got Mr. James Estefan right here, being a lovely pit crew while I just talk to a camera. Driving on a track is hard. It takes a lot of trust. I literally built this car on the floor of my parents' garage in suburban Ottawa. It was a testament of the work that went into it because it still works. So clearly we did it right. It's kind of like a giant puzzle. We're not doing rocket science here, but this is all stuff that is, hard and out of my comfort zone. Rebuilt an engine. We swapped the whole driveline. We swapped the whole suspension, the braking system, the wheels, the tires, the interior, the safety system. Everything has been changed on this car and it works. And we're 5 seconds faster than last year's fastest lap. That's just out the gate, just with a bit more power and no practice. The journey continues. PANO Motorsports will live on, whether it's in this car or another car, I don't know. But either way, we're taking you on a journey because we're on it too. And we're gonna document it as it unfolds because we have no fucking clue what's gonna happen. We could put the car in the wall. We could win a race. We could blow it up. We could become Lewis Hamilton II. But in any case, we'll document all of it. Hopefully you enjoy it. Okay, bye.